welcome back to the channel. This is Stephsgotit, and we're happy to have you with me today. Today I'm going to review another diamond painting pen. This pen is from Jim at Handmade Pen Shop on Etsy. I saw a pen by Jim and learned about him, I think, through Grace Maltese YouTube channel, and she had a pen and it was beautiful, and either I asked her or she said in the video where she got the pen from. So I immediately ran to his site on Etsy to check out his supply of pens. So this is not one of those Facebook groups where you go on and get a number, you have to wait for your number to be pulled and then you can only order one. I don't have the patience for that because I can't keep up with all these Facebook groups. And so I was really aggravated by that. I just want to order a pen and get it. I don't want to be on a wait list. I don't want to be number 3,567. And that's cool for people who want to do that. That's awesome. And I understand this is a work at home business for most. And so they have to do it when they get off of their full-time job. I get it. I understand. I'm just saying that I don't want to wait because I can't keep up with all of the groups that detailed, right? And now I do have a diamond painting pen coming from one of those groups. Actually, it's not coming. It's already here. It's in that stack over there waiting to be done. But she Facebook messaged me and said, "It's your turn. What do you want?" If she hadn't, I wouldn't have remembered because I had signed up for so many of them when I first started diamond painting that I didn't remember which ones I had and which ones were just diamond painting groups that, chit-chatted or whatever. So I was really glad to find some place where I could go in and do what I wanted to do. Now, with Jim, you can order custom pens. I chose my blank and how I wanted him to cut it, how many bumps and lumps, and what type of tips on the end. So that took about 2 to 3 weeks to get to me because he had to custom make it. But he does have some pens that he's already made, and you're free to buy those, but you just have to buy that particular pen however it comes. It was my first one, so I really wanted to choose what color I wanted and how I wanted it done. And the pens are only $25, and I think it was $25 even. That includes everything. I don't think I paid for I think shipping was included in that. If it's not, I'll tell you what it is in the description bar below. So here's the thing though. When I went to diamond paint with my friend Shelly a couple of months ago, I really wanted to use this pen. I was so excited. So I opened it when we were out diamond painting in our local fruit bowl, and I've been using it ever since. But it's a beautiful pen, and I think that it deserves to be displayed and seen and loved and raved and talked about like every other pen and diamond painting item I have reviewed on my channel. So this is a little bit of a backtrack, right? This is the envelope that it came in. It's really pretty because it says thank you, merci, danke, I'm sure, gracias, gracias. So it says thank you in various languages. It's really pretty and I like it. So that's what it came in. I'm going to go ahead and set you up to review the bag and the pen. Hold that thought. Alright, now that I've got you set up to review, this is the bag that it came in. And as you can see, the bag says thank you in various languages. Thank you, merci, gracias, danke. I think that's danke. I don't remember how to say it for sure now. But anyways, various languages. So, nice bag. Inside this bag was another bag. And it's just a bubble wrapper, and inside the bubble wrapper inside the bubble wrapper was this pen in its wonderful little cover case, and I think this was wrapped in bubble wrap. like that. If I'm not mistaken, I think it was. Okay. And then your inventory sheet. And again, it's just a label printed out by Etsy that gives you hand-turned diamond painting pens, special order. He has over 400 blanks in stock. He also does stylus pens and he does acrylics. And the pen, forgive me, was $26 even. I think shipping is included in that. And you put a note to him as to what type of pen you would like. Now, I chose a cool mint water blank, and I told him I wanted 3 bumps, please. And that those were my instructions. So let's check out the pen. So it comes in this beautiful velvet baggie that's made for pens, right? He ties it. I retie it every time. Like I said, I've already opened this, but I try to put it back in the same tie so that, because I knew I was shooting this video. Are you ready for it? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Let me bring you in closer. Hold that thought. So check that out, ladies and gentlemen. Isn't that beautiful? And you see how you can see through it? It's like flowing water. So you turn it. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. I absolutely love it. And the blank I chose again was Cool Mint. Isn't that gorgeous? So on one end, I chose to get a single placer. And on the other end, I chose to get a 3-placer, multi-placer. As you can see, I was lazy and I left the wax in there from last time. But just look at that. I mean, how could I not do an unbagging for this pen? It is beautiful. Look at, I'm just so in love and in awe of it. So you can see I have 3 bumps. So there's a little of a groove in there and a little of a groove in there so that I can hold it comfortably. And I wanted it as fat as possible. And it's just beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. Just beautiful. I couldn't have asked for a better first custom diamond painting pen. It's super comfortable. It's easy to work with. It arrived beautifully packaged and safely packaged in a quick time frame once it was ordered, and there were no problems, no complications at all. This is a beautiful pen. Just beautiful. All right, so there you have it, huns. There is my beautiful, amazing custom diamond painting pen from Jim's Handmade Pens on Etsy. And I love this little velvet pouch. It is velvet and it's really thick, and it's something that I can put my pen in when I put it in my carry case and travel with my pen so that it's always protected. Isn't that lovely? All right, thanks, hun, for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And on the off chance that you didn't enjoy it, well, you're always free to give it a thumbs down. You do you, boo. All right. But just remember, as you're going throughout your week, that I hope you have a wonderfully blessed week. I hope that you remember to be kind, because we're all fighting our own battles inside. And it never hurts to have someone give you a kind smile or a kind comment or a RAK, which is a random act of kindness. And if you're not receiving any random acts of kindness throughout your day, then you need to get my email down below and send me your address or your email or something. and we'll get you some type of random act of kindness to help brighten your day, because we could all use that, right? So remember, my loves, if you are having a great day, don't forget to subscribe. So if you're having a great day, help someone else have a great day. Love and shimmies.